First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the phone transfer page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare phone transfer installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Run the software on your computer and connect both your phones to the computer with USB cables. Here, we will take a Samsung Galaxy phone and an iPhone, for example. After connecting your Samsung Galaxy phone, the software will detect it and pop up a window to require you to click Allow on your phone. Once connected successfully, you will see Connected under the phone. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Click Trust on your iPhone if it requires. When connecting successfully, you will see Connected under your iPhone. You can click the Flip option to change the source device and the destination device. Select the files you want to transfer by category and then click Start Copy. Data type including contacts, text messages, etc., will be transferred from your iPhone to your Samsung Galaxy phone. Click OK when finished.